Yo guys, what's up? This is Ostif Guy, and in this video we are going to be teaching you how to solve a 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to get down in a little terminology before we start solving the cube because there are some new terms for the 4x4. So whenever I say to turn the right side up, I mean to turn the right side that way. Whenever I say to turn the right side down, I mean to turn the right side that way. Whenever I say RW up, I mean to turn the two right layers that way. Whenever I say RW down, I mean to turn the two right layers that way. Whenever I say left up, I mean to turn the left side that way. Whenever I mean to turn left down, I mean to turn it that way. Whenever I say LW up, I mean to turn the two left layers that way. Whenever I say LW down, I mean to turn the two left layers that way. Whenever I say front clockwise, I mean to turn the front that way. Whenever I say front counterclockwise, I mean to turn the front that way. Whenever I say FW right, I mean to turn the front two layers that way. Whenever I say FW left, I mean to turn the front two layers that way. Whenever I say back to the right, I mean to turn the back that way. Whenever I say back to the left, I mean to turn the back that way. Whenever I say BW right, I mean to turn the back that way. Whenever I say BW left, I mean to turn the back that way. And then the W means to turn two layers, by the way. Then whenever I say up left, I mean to turn it that way. Whenever I say up right, I mean to turn it that way. Whenever I say UW left, I mean to turn the two up layers that way. Whenever I say UW right, I mean to turn the two up layers that way. Whenever I say down left, I mean to turn the downside that way. Whenever I say down right, I mean to turn the downside that way. Whenever I say DW left, I mean to turn the two down layers that way. Whenever I say DW right, I mean to turn the two down layers that way. Alright, now let's go ahead and mix up the cube for a sec before we start solving it, because every cube needs to be mixed up before a tutorial. Alright, so the first step in solving the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is the white center. So how we're going to do this is we're going to turn the two white pieces in the middle together to make a white bar, I call it, and then find the two other white center pieces and try to get them together without messing up the white center. And then if you have it like that, just turn it that way and go down so that we have the white center solved. Now we're going to solve the yellow center. So now we're going to turn the yellow pieces so that they make a yellow bar up top. Then get these out of the way so that they don't mess up and go into the wrong position when turning the white side back down. Now put them on the right side, and now get the other two yellow center pieces together, and then put them on the right side. Then perform this algorithm: RW, U2, RW. Then you'll have the white and yellow center solved. Next step is solving the green center. So you're going to move two green pieces together like that to make a green bar. Then we're going to look for our other two green center pieces. Oh, they're already formed into a bar. So you just put those up like that, and then the green center is solved. And then the next step is solving the orange center. The orange is going to go right above the green. So, but we have no orange center pieces on this side. But we do on that side, and they're already formed into a bar. So we're going to turn it down. Then this way, because the green is on the right here, and we don't want to mess that up like that. And so now we have a bar over here, and then we're going to make a bar up there. Oh, it's already formed into a bar. So then we get it up, move it out of the way, then bring green back. And then to get the two orange bars together, we're gonna go RW, F2, RW. And then we have the red and blue centers left to go. For this situation, I am actually going to show the situations in a bit because I don't know how to solve all of them, which actually, let me go ahead and show you that real quick. Alright, back to the video. So this situation I have here, we've got an L and another L. So we're just gonna go RW, U, RW. Now, we've got all the centers solved, and make sure your centers are correct. White opposite yellow, green opposite blue, and red opposite orange. If your centers are incorrect, do this algorithm that I'll show you. Do the algorithm as shown for your situation in the bottom right corner. Alright, now back to where we are. Now we're going to go into the edge pair process. So choose two edges you want to pair. The edge pieces are those in between the corners. We call them edge pieces because they kind of look like an edge. So let's say we had, let's choose two. So let's say we had a yellow and orange edge right here and here. So look where they are between where they cross. Okay. See, it's uneven because this one goes one down from where it is, and this one goes two over from where it is. So, what we will do is, up left, up right, front right, so that they're like that. And then just, go DW, and then, store your edge in the top layer by performing the right up left, right down algorithm, so that it brings an unpaired edge down into the equator layers, so that it doesn't disturb the rest of the cube. And we have a paired edge on the side, so just bring that down if you have an unpaired edge, and then restore the centers. And then we're going to repeat that process for a while until all our edges are paired except the last two. There's a special algorithm for the last two. So we got green and orange right here. They're uneven between where they cross because this one goes one out and this one goes two down. So, again, what we do is up left, up right, front right, and then you just go DW again, and then this time we're going to do right up twice, and then right down, because that was the only unpaired edge that we had in the top layer. And remember, we don't want to bring a paired edge down, because it'll mess it up. So, and then just restore the centers. Now, all do another one. Let's look for some other ones that we've got. Try to find a good one. Alright, now that I brought these two together, they're white and blue. They are even between where they cross because this one goes 2 down from this one, and this one goes 2 over from this one. So what we do in that instance is just upright right down, and then DW. Now turn the right side up to the right this time because we want the unpaired edge to come down so that when we restore the centers, it doesn't disturb the rest of the cube. That's important. And I need you guys to remember that if possible. Now we have yellow and green and yellow and green. They're uneven between where they cross because this one goes 2 down from this and this one goes 1 over from this. So now we have to do the up left, up right, front right algorithm. So get them there and there. And then you just go DW again. And then right up, left, right down to bring the unpaired edge down. Then restore the centers. And then we're gonna do another one. Let's look for some because there's not that many left. Okay, so we have orange and blue and orange and blue. Oh, they're already on the sides like that. So we're just gonna go UW and then right up right this time because we want to get to where that unpaired edge is, and then right down, and so that when you restore the centers it doesn't disturb the cube. And then we're going to do this. Let's see how many edges we've paired. If we only have 2 left, we're gonna get to this special algorithm. It looks like we have 4 left actually. So we're gonna find another one that's close by to each other. If it's not, we're just gonna bring it over. So this one is it's actually, let me move them around because we have more unpaired edge space up here than over here. So they're uneven between where they cross again. So what we do, that same algorithm, up left, up right, front right. And then, I accidentally was thinking of, oh, never mind. You just go UW and then right up to the right this time because we want to get that unpaired edge down, and then right down, and then restore the centers. And then let's see how many edges we got left to pair. It looks like 3. So now this is white and red and white and red. So they're uneven between where they cross again. So we're going to do that same algorithm, up left, up right, front right. And then UW. We have no unpaired edge space when doing that algorithm. So just, you know what, this time I'm just gonna say oh well and mess it up because I couldn't really figure out a way to not get a paired edge down. So we still have 3 remaining edges, it looks like. So alright, we got yellow and blue. Oh, they're already to their sides. But it looks like we have a situation. So we're gonna bring them up there because we wanna not get a paired edge on the side. So I'm just gonna play around with the cube. Oh, it looks like we've got no paired edges on the side except one, so I'm just gonna do that. And then it looks like we've still got 3 unpaired edges. So let's go move them around to where there's a space with an unpaired edge on the top layer, like that. And then they're uneven between where they cross again. So we go the up left, up right, front right algorithm again. Then DW, and then right up twice, right down. So because we want to bring the unpaired edge down, then restore the centers. Then how many edges have we got unpaired still? It looks like 3. So now we're gonna look for a space with unpaired edges. Right now it looks like here is a good spot, but we're gonna move the cube around to where there is an unpaired edge in the top layer, and where we can bring our colored edges down to over there. So here we have the edges at an even spot where they cross. So then we're gonna bring them together again. Go right up, right down. But we did bring a paired edge down. So we're just gonna, I guess, bring it down. And I can't figure out a way to get the edges in the right spot, the unpaired edges in the right spot. So we're just gonna repeat this a few times. So, alright, let's see here. Let's see, we got yellow and red, and yellow and red. So we're just gonna go DW, and then right up, and then up, left, and then right down, and then restore the centers. Alright, how many edges have we got unpaired? It looks like just 2. So when you have this, they must be, the edges must be symmetrical of each other when performing this algorithm. I'll show you the possible problem for if they're unsymmetrical in I think after this algorithm, maybe. So for this algorithm, you go UW to the right, right up, right, right down, up left, up right, front right, then restore the centers. We've got all our edges paired. Now I'm going to show you the algorithm for when the edges are unsymmetrical. The algorithm on the top here is if they're symmetrical, which I did already show you. But on the bottom is the algorithm for you if you have the possible problem. And then for the rest of the cube solving, we're going to solve it just like a 3x3. So if you know how to solve a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, just go ahead and solve it. You don't need this video in case you have a parody midway solving it. Just wait till that part if you have a parody. But for those of you who don't know how to solve the 3x3, I'm going to teach you. So, first, you want to put all your white edges on the side with the yellow center to make a white cross. And then we have all our edges matching, but let's say I'm going to show you what you would do if you didn't have all of them matching. So let's say you had a white cross, but all of them weren't matching. So you'd turn your matching ones over. In this instance, it's red and blue. So we turn them over. Then we're going to turn the upside to the left because we're going to make a match over here. And then turn it over because it's matching. But white is supposed to be up there, green's supposed to be down there. So what we would do is turn the front that way, and then just turn the right side up, upside left, and then right side down to get it up there with our edges still down. And then you'd just bring all of them up again, and then you have the white cross. Then what you're going to want to do is get the white corners in. But first, position them. So you see this corner right here. It's white, blue, and red. We're going to bring it over to where the white, blue, and red centers meet. And then with the corner in the bottom right, perform this algorithm for if it's the white is on the bottom. Right down, down twice, right up, down right, right down, down left, right up. And then that corner is where it needs to go. Then you're going to, so this one is on the top and it's facing you, okay? So what you would do in this with the corner on the top right is go right down, down right, right up, down left, right down, down right, right up. And then this one is on the top too. So, and it's facing to the right of us. If we want to have that in the top right when performing this algorithm, we do right down, down left, right up, down right, right down, down left, right up. And then for this last one, it's on the bottom. But I'm going to show you guys it if you have it on top. And it's like this way. What you would do if it was facing you and it was on the bottom is to go down left, right down, down right, right up. And let's get that other corner back in. Now if it's over here facing to the right of you and it's on the bottom, that's good because we can just do 3 moves and it'll solve. Right, down, down, left, right up. And then the top layer must be solved after this step. So next we're going to solve the middle layer. So, as you can see, we've got this upside down T-shape. For this step, I forgot to mention we're going to have the yellow face as the up face. So, you see on the top of our upside down T-shape, it's green, right? And the green centerpiece is over here to the left. If it's on the right, we're going to turn it to the left, and if it's on the left, we're going to turn it to the right. So, because it's on the left, we're going to turn it to the right. Go left, up, right, upright, left, down, up, left. Turn the cube 90 degrees as if the corner were here. Then do right, up, left, right, down. Then we have this edge right here, which it's green on the top of our upside down T shape. So, green is on the right, okay? So, we're gonna turn it to the left, go right, up, left, right, down, up, right, turn the cube 90 degrees as if the corner were here, left, up, right, left, down. And then we've got just, 2 edges left to pair. So, this edge, right here, it's on the top of the upside down T shape. It's blue, right? And blue is over here on the left. So because it's on the left, we're going to turn it to the right. Left, up, upright, left, down, up, left. Turn the cube 90 degrees as if the corner were here. Right, up, left, right, down. And then we've got one edge left to solve. It's blue on the top of the upside down T shape. And blue is over here on the right. So we're going to turn it to the left. Right, up, left, right, down, up, right. Turn the cube 90 degrees as if the corner were here. Left, up, right, left, down. Then we've got the middle layer solved. Now, we're going to make a white cross. So if you guys have an L like me, you're going to put it like facing like this. If you had a bar, you're going to make it horizontally in front of you. If you have no edges on the top, just don't worry about it and do the algorithm. It goes front, right, up, left, right, down, up, right, front, left. Then we have the bar, so we're gonna have it horizontally in front of us. Then turn the front to the right, right, up, left, right, down, up, right, and then front to the left. And then we've got a white cross. So, if you guys have two corners here and here, like a bar on one side, have it on the right side, okay? If you guys have no corners, that is okay. Just make sure you have matching corners here and here, facing away from you. If you have a corner here and here, choose either one of them and put them in the bottom left corner. If you have one corner, put it in the bottom left. And then we're going to start this algorithm. So we have the matching corners, so we're going to face it away from us and do this algorithm. Right, up, left, right, down, up, left, right, up twice, right, down. We have one corner, so we're going to put it in the bottom left. Right, up, left, right, down, up, left, right, up twice, right, down. Then we're going to try and get matching corners on every side of the cube. If you have no matching corners on any side, don't worry about it, just do this algorithm. If you have matching corners on one side, like me, face them away from you and do this algorithm. It goes right, down, front, right down, back twice, right, up, front, left, right, down, back twice, right, twice, and then turn the cube to where they have matching corners on the sides. So you see here the edges are going in a clockwise motion over here, which means orange needs to go over here, right? If you have that, just do the algorithm as I say here. If you have it going in a clockwise motion, wait for me for the next part. Left up twice, upright, left up, up, right, left down, up, left down, up, left down, up, right, left down. But let's say it was going in a clockwise motion. You would do this algorithm, which is the exact opposite of the one we just did. Right up twice, up left, right down, up left, right down, up right down, up right down, up left, and right down. But let's say you had a parity. I'm going to show you the algorithms for the parities just right here. So this parity we have here is called the OLL parity. We have, so yellow should go up here, green should go down here. In this parity, we're going to perform this algorithm. RW, U2, X means to turn the cube down so that what was in front of you is now facing up. RW, U2, RW, U2, RW, U2, LW, U2, RW, U2, RW, U2, RW, U2, RW. But we do have twisted corners, but that's okay because I was just going to show you that parity. This parity is called the PLL parity. I fixed the twisted corners now, and now I'm going to show you this. If you have this case, do the algorithm as I show you. If these two edges are swapped adjacent of each other, if like blue needed to go here, green needed to go here, if these were swapped, wait till after this algorithm. It goes, so if you had this, you would just do right down, up left, right down, up right. But you'd also think about that you'd have to get the corner back. But we still have those two solved. Give me a minute to figure this out. Maybe we could try another algorithm. It would go up left, right down, up right, right up. And then we still have the missing corner. But we still have those two swapped adjacent of each other. Give me some time to figure this algorithm out, please. I finally figured out a way to get the adjacent edges each other back. So R twice, the inner layer, U2, inner R twice again, UW2, inner R twice again, U2, and now we have the same situation as we did before of the algorithm with the clockwise motion and counterclockwise motion that we did earlier. We're going to do that again because we're gonna solve it. And then if you have the second case where the edges swap, like red's here and orange is here, just wait for me, okay? Right up twice, up left, right up, up left, right down, up right down, up right down, up left, right down, and then the cube is solved. And then give me some time to set it up if you have the PLL parity case too. If you have this case of a parity, which is like these need to go here and these need to go here, I'll show you it real quick. It's the exact same algorithm as the first algorithm we did of the last parity. So inner R up twice, U2, inner R twice, EW2, inner R twice, and then inner U2, and then the cube will be solved. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm AllStuffGuy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe for more content, too. It really makes me happy when you do. And also, I apologize. I did need a moment to figure out how to get it back to its stage for when we had the parity to figure out the algorithm, all that, blah, blah, blah. I thank you for your patience when doing that. That was on me. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm AllStuffGuy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.